Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your files with Box step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Box website. Log into your Box account using your credentials. Once you are on your Box homepage, locate the Upload button. Click on the Upload button to begin the file transfer process. You'll see options to upload files or folders. Select Files if you want to upload single or multiple files. Choose Folder if you want to upload an entire folder. A file dialog window will open. Browse to the location on your device where the files are stored. Select the files or folder you want to transfer. Click Open to start the upload. You will see a progress bar indicating the upload status. Once the upload is complete, your files will appear in your Box account. To organize your files, create a new folder if needed. Click on the New button and select Folder. Name your new folder and click Create. Now, you can drag and drop files. To share your uploaded files, select a file or folder. Click the Share button that appears. Set the sharing settings according to your preferences. You can choose to share via link or invite specific users. Copy the sharing link or enter email addresses and send invitations. Check the comments or tasks options for collaboration features. To access your files on another device, simply log into Box from that device. All your uploaded files will be available wherever you access your account. Remember to regularly check your storage space to ensure you don't run out of room. For added security, consider enabling two-factor authentication on your account. Always log out of your Box account after use, especially on shared devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.